Partner Center is a series of physical spaces, a content program, and a team of experts focusing on supporting and inspiring advertising and marketing partners. Partner Centers are a unique way for Facebook and partners to come together to explore growth opportunities in a client's business. Facebook and their experiential agency partner Hush Studios, a creative design agency based in Brooklyn, New York, have opened a global network of 7 locations. In the globe, we can see the size of Facebook communities around the world. The globe has a social good feature, or safety check, that helps us connect with loved ones during times of disaster. It also displays how SMBs are the heart and soul of our communities and are getting more out of Facebook through their products. The Globe's interactive feature was designed using an 86-inch display with infrared multi-touch technology. The Globe has been essential in helping us understand how entrepreneurs rely on Facebook to grow their business, hire more employees, and contribute to their local economies.